Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to create a form in Typeform. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Typeform is one of the most popular tools for creating surveys, contact forms, questionnaires, and registrations, thanks to its clean design and interactive experience. The good news is that creating your first form is much easier than you might think. To get started, head over to Typeform and either sign into your existing account or create a new one. You can register using your email address or sign up with a Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where all of your forms and projects will be stored. From the dashboard, click on the button to create a new form. Typeform gives you several options. You can start from a blank form, use one of the many templates available, or even let AI help generate a form based on your needs. If you're a beginner, using a template can save a lot of time. Next, begin adding your questions. Click the Add Content option and choose the type of question you want to use. You can add multiple choice questions, short text fields, email fields, ratings, dates, and much more. If you're creating a contact form, consider including fields such as name, email address, and message. Once your questions are in place, customize the design of your form. You can change colors, fonts, backgrounds, and themes to match your brand or personal style. Before publishing, use the preview feature to test the entire form from start to finish. When everything looks good, click Publish to make it live. Finally, open the Share section to get your form link, embed it on a website, or generate a QR code for easy access. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Typeform form, and it's now ready to collect responses from your audience. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.